How to fix Axon needed no internet on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. So first thing what you want to do is just open up your registry editor and run it as an administrator. So once you're inside here, just enlarge it and click on this H key local machine and just enlarge the system from over here. And next thing, just enlarge the current control set and just enlarge services under it. And now you have to find a folder called NLASBC. So just enlarge it and just enlarge parameter option over here, and you can see internet folder. Just double click on it, and once you're inside here, just select this enable active option over here and just right click and click on modify and make sure the value is set to 0 and not 1. So once you do that, just click on OK, and again come over to your HKey local machine just like this from your registry editor. Once you do that, and now this time enlarge software folder just like this, and simply enlarge the another folder called policies folder just like this. And once you enlarge that as well, simply enlarge Microsoft folder. And once you're inside your Microsoft folder, just select this Windows, and now simply select this network connectivity standard indicator folder and just right click on it and create a new DO32 value key value and simply give it a name just like this as I'm showing you right now. So I will give it a new name called no active probe just like this, and simply hit enter and just double click on it and change the value to 1 and click on OK, and make sure to restart your PC after this. So once you do that, your issue should be fixed successfully. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.